Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about 12th Commerce, chapter number 14, Marketing and Marketing Mix. We all discuss about marketing and concept of marketing. Okay, what is marketing? It's a place of buying and selling. It's a place of buying and selling, and already we all discussed about concept of on the basis of classification. Okay, what is called as that is area, then volume on the basis of volume, on the basis of then price, on the basis of commodities, okay, on the basis of persons, okay, on the basis of market, geographical area, okay. So this is very important concept in that is a chapter number 13. Okay, so now I am going to start the chapter number 14, marketing. Marketing is one of business functions that all the business activities, that is while giving some when the company produce some goods and also giving some advertisement about the product and marketing that particular product through the sales executives. Okay, so then only they attract the customer, give some offers. This is only helpful. This is development of marketing. This is only development of marketing. Okay, this is only development of marketing. Okay, the development of marketing is rather than the evolution. There is no significance to the question what is marketing. Is maybe explained, but meaning understanding about the market, and revaluation about the in old Himalayas. It is one of the professional in the world. Okay, so market is indeed one of the ancient art. Okay, so when you this is one of the traditional, for example, in ancient days, that is a barter system. They followed barter system. Okay, that is one of the important things. The exchange of goods and services. Okay, exchange of goods and services, and also very important thing in the this is called as marketing means exchange. Exchange is only important, and also customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. Exchange and customer satisfaction. Okay, very important thing in the marketing. Okay, the next concept is called the evaluation of marketing. Okay, so what are the evaluations? Then barter system, then protection of exchange goods and services, protection orientation, sales orientation, management orientation, consumer orientation. Okay, so marketing orientation. Okay, so this is the basis of evaluation. Okay, this is the basis of evaluation. Okay. The first one is barter system. Okay, barter system. The second, the barter system means that is exchange of goods and services. One person gives some and goods to another person. Okay, for example, rice, wheat, and other vegetables. Okay, so exchange of goods and services, like the money also exchange. Okay, like money also exchange of goods and services. Very important. Exchange of goods and services. Next, production consumption, production orientation. When the production orientation means when the producer produce some kinds of goods and also they distributed to the customer. Okay, some direct relation between producer and customer. Direct relation between producer and customer. That is called production orientation. Okay, in olden days they followed some the particular company produce some goods. That is for example automobile goods and consumer related goods. Okay, so child related goods, toys and babies toys, and okay, so this is the they produce some kinds of goods, and also they attract the customer and reach the people. Okay, attract the customer, reach the people. Okay, that is called as production orientation. Okay, third one is sales orientation. Once sales orientation, once the company produce some kinds of goods, the mass production of goods and services, that carried over to the customer. Okay, so once the company produce some kinds of goods, the company must sell the particular kinds of goods. Selling is very important. Okay, selling became the important the factor. Then only they gain some amount from the product. They gain some amount from the product. That is called sales orientation. Okay, next one, marketing orientation. What is marketing orientation? Marketing means the customer, in marketing, customer is the boss, customer is important. Is what realized that only and as a means of disposing of goods and services, to the customer. Okay, so customer is only the boss. He only purchase the particular goods. Okay, he also wants some offers. Okay, so the company must satisfy the customer needs and wants. Okay, needs and wants. That is a marketing orientation. Next one, consumer orientation. Consumer orientation. Consumer orientation means under this orientation at this stage, only the products are brought the customer, brought. Okay, brought the customer. The customer is the boss in every analysis. Okay, customer is the boss. He needs some offers. He expects some offers. He expects some good services, good quality from the company. That is a consumer orientation. Last one, management orientation. Management orientation. Management orientation means the marketing function assumes some important management. Okay, the management also good, quality of product also good. Management is not doing well, the product it will impact in your producing goods. Okay, ஒரு கஸ்டமரை வந்து நல்லா ப்ராப்பராக சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணல மேனேஜ்மெண்ட், ஸோ it will automatically affect your product. Okay, so that is a very important thing. Okay, the affect your product and also not satisfied with the product. Okay, that is very important thing. Okay, next one, definition of marketing. Marketing, what is marketing? The definition of marketing. Okay, so marketing includes assume. What do you mean assume? Services, goods and services, all activities. Assume all activities that flow of goods and services to the customer. Okay, the flow of goods and services to the customer. So exchange of, and also the consumer consumed your product. Okay, consumed. What do you mean consumed? பொருளை வாங்குறது, நுகர்வோர், consumed your product. Okay, that is the definition of marketing. Next one, next important thing, the objectives of marketing. Objective. Some they follow some asserts that that is a end of all the marketing activities that is related to satisfaction of needs and wants. All the marketing concept, all the marketing that related to marketing concept related to customer needs and wants. Customer needs and wants. Very important thing. That is objective, main objectives. Okay, is the main objectives. Okay, and also give some reward and them offer to the customers. That is very important concept in the marketing. Okay, and some few points in marketing. That is a intelligent, capable application of knowledge, application of modern technology. Okay, application of first thing, application of modern application of modern technology, application of modern technology. Nowadays most of the product, most of the consumers product, the particular company applies some lot of technical knowledge. Okay, so like cell phones, washing machine also different levels, fridge also different categories. Okay, so luxury that's on the basis of price, according to the price, the fridge price are also different. Okay, this is also they apply some technical knowledge, okay, and develop the marketing field, develop the marketing field, marketing field in the sense of that area, on the basis of area means that is hot city, that is a center of the place. Okay, Vannarpet in Tirunelveli, Vannarpet, then town, Nellai city, so Tirunelveli city, then Palangotai, okay, near new bus stand. Okay, so in case near your city, your company situated near some important places, that is hot places, you gain some amount. Okay, you gain some amount and you retain some customer because of the hot city. Field is very important. Marketing field is very important. Okay, and next one, guiding policies. Okay, guiding policies. The guiding policies and their implementation are good result. Guiding policies and implementation. Good implementation. Implementation of good result. Okay, in case the policies and rules and regulations, some important technologies, and they offer some nowadays Amazon and Flipkart, they offer most reduced prices in cell phones. Okay, so most of the consumer no need to go that particular shop, they purchase through online. Okay, they purchase online, that is a important thing in that is a policy than good, and also they gain more amount, it will reflect your good result. Okay, good result. Okay, that is a guiding policies and implementation. Okay, then also to suggest solutions by that studying, and they once studying the problem, suggest a solution that related to suggest solutions for the particular problem, solutions for the problem. Solutions for the problems. Okay, so nowadays in most of the peoples are aware about the Consumer Act. Okay, so in case the particular product is not good, not sufficient, not quality, is not having good quality and not affordable price, the consumers also approach to the court, sir, the product is not good quality, this product is high prices. Okay, compare than other company. Okay, so I need some justice. Okay, so this is the suggestion from the customer, and also improve their product, companies also improve their, and also they need some suggestion from suggestion from the customers. Okay, that is the important thing in the suggestion, to suggest solutions for the problems, Next point, fifth one, that is to find sources of information about the customer, that sources of information that concerning the market problem. Okay, source of informations. Okay, some research, the researcher also research some information about the market. Market is going, what market is going on, what kinds of market is going on. That is on the basis of consumer market, on the basis of commodities market, on the basis of geography area. So nowadays the most of the mask, most of the people wear mask and gloves, sanitizer, using sanitizer. Then okay, so these are the information, and hand wash, okay, using some hand wash. Okay, so this product also nowadays very high turnover. Okay, so that is the marketing problem, marketing strategy, marketing conditions. To know the marketing conditions, okay, to know the marketing conditions. Okay, find the sources for further information, sources of marketing. To find the sources of further information. Further information of particular marketing problem, marketing conditions, marketing problem, marketing conditions. Okay, next, to revive the existing marketing functions. Okay, revive the marketing function. If the shortcomings are found. Okay, so shortcomings means the product is not attract the people. So the company wants to implement some strategy to increase their product and also satisfy the customers. Okay, that is the important thing in the revive. Then that is a redesign your marketing strategy. That is the important thing in that is third, sixth one, to revive the marketing function. Okay, and to in case your product is not able to attract the customer, you have to take necessary actions against the bad situation to appropriate the function, to appropriate the necessary action, to take appropriate actions. Okay, to take appropriate actions. In case your product is not satisfy the customer, so you have to take another remedial actions about the problem. Okay, that is the important thing in the objectives of marketing. The objectives of marketing. Next, what are the importance of marketing? Okay, what are the importance of marketing? Okay, so what are the importance? Tell me, what are the importance? Can you tell me what are the importance? To connecting people, connecting the customer and producer, to connecting the marketing is connecting the first one is marketing is connecting bridge between marketing is connecting the customers and producer. Marketing is connecting the customers and producers. Connect the customers and producers. Okay, so in case nowadays direct relation between the customers and producers, then only the customers know about the actual strategy, actual price of the product. In case middleman involvement or interfere in your buying habit. Okay, so particular product will increase the price will increase. Okay, so middleman will increase middleman will interfere automatically that will product price will increase. Okay, that is the important thing, the importance of marketing. Okay, next one, marketing helps to increase the standard of people. Okay, standard of people. Marketing increase the standard of people. Standard of people. Standard living. So luxury product. In case the particular middle class people also buying the luxury product. So increase the standard of living. Okay, the standard living, increase the prestige, increase the people having some prestige, some good status. Okay, increase the status, standard living, status of living. Okay, so some people, middle class people are also buying that car, then luxury product. Okay, so use cars, luxury cars. Okay, so luxury bikes. Okay, so this also happen in marketing. Okay, and also increase their employment opportunity. Increase the employment opportunity. It is increase the employment opportunities. Employment opportunities. Okay, employment opportunities. Okay, so this increase the employment opportunities. Employment opportunities. Okay, so this is very important thing in the very important thing in the this concept. Okay, so and also they develop their knowledge. Okay, they develop their knowledge. They develop their employment opportunities and employment development. Okay. Development and opportunities. Okay, so this is very important thing in the increase the employment and employment development, employment opportunities and employment the employment now for example sales now most of the then Swiggy, then most of the food delivery companies. Okay, then Flipkart, Amazon are also giving most of the job opportunity to the people. Be graduate also in working in this field. Okay, marketing field. Okay, so this is the increase the employment opportunities. Okay, next one. Okay, next one, it will remove the supply trans in the surplus area in case particular remote areas are not having not buying that product. Okay, they are not able to buy the product. Okay, so marketing also attract that people. Okay, to so increase the supply, that is a surplus area to okay to remove the imbalance. Okay, to remove the next one, to remove the imbalance, surplus area, to remove the imbalance, that is surplus area. Okay, so excess some people not having that not able to buy the product, and some people having lot of remove the surplus imbalance means nowadays people also what is called as people also save lot of product. Okay, save lot of the things. Okay, for example என்ன சொல்றாங்க அப்படினா இப்போ பாருங்க வெங்காயத்தை என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, வெங்காயத்தை பதுக்கி வைக்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, பிளாக் மார்க்கெட், that is a black market. Okay, so in the during this situation, so most of them not able to buy that vegetable items. Okay, so that is this happen in imbalance. Okay, that is a remove the imbalance. Every people are enjoying that product, enjoying the particular and consuming that product. Okay, that is called as imbalance area. Okay, so and marketing helps to, that is the maintain the stability of people. Maintain the stability, helps to maintain the stability. Maintain the stability. What do you maintain the stability? The stability in the sense of in case this month is having, this month some person purchase that particular product, next month also they need some product. Okay, so no need to that is yeah, not into surplus, not into surplus, okay. That is sufficient product, okay. So that is called as maintain stability, maintain stability relationship price and goods, okay. Availability of goods, okay, availability of price, then affordable price, consumers relationship, consumer buying habit, okay. This is the important thing in the marketing stability. And marketing includes creation of utilities, how to utilize the farm, creation of utilities. So it's creation of utilities. How to utilize the product, how to utilize the particular the company also gives some awareness about the product, how to use the product, how to utilize the product, how to handle the product, okay. So they gave some small, that is paper, that is small information about the product, okay. So and also marketing also decrease the cost value of the product, okay, reduction the cost of the product, okay. So reduce the cost value of the product. It's the cost value of the product, okay. So this is important thing in the this category, okay. Next, maintain the goods ownership, having improve the goodwill of the product, the goodwill of the farm. Marketing also improve the goodwill of the farm, because the customers also willing to purchase the product and satisfied with the product. So to improve the goodwill, okay, improve the goodwill and the change in time, okay, improve the goodwill, okay. Improve the goodwill of the company. The importance of marketing.